नीरज है और आसमान सी ऊंचाई है, जिंदगी को तरस के खुदा ने ये अनमोल तस्वीर बनाई है। हर दुख को वो खुद पर सह लेते हैं। खुदा की इस जीवित प्रतिमा को हम पिता कहते हैं। Dad, don't you all think so many images come in our mind whenever we speak this word? What a great creature God has created for all of us. God took the strength of the mountain, the majesty of a tree, the warmth of the summer sun, and the calm of quiet sea, the generous soul of nature, the comforting arms of night, the wisdom of ages, and the power of eagle's flight, the joy of morning in spring, the faith of a mustard seed, the patience of eternity, and the depth of the family need. God then combined all these qualities, and then there was nothing more to add. He knew his masterpiece was complete, and so he called it Dad. Guys, we all might have experienced the role of our father in our lives in many different ways. And what I believe is, though our father's role in our life keeps on changing, the motive behind each role of all the fathers in the world would be same. For some of you, your father might be a friend, a philosopher, a guide, a role model, a counselor, a superhero, or sometimes a danger zone. But don't you all think the purpose of all the fathers towards their children is same? Whenever you are about to fall, your father wants to catch you before you fall, but instead he picks you up, brushes you off, and lets you try again. He wants to keep you away from making mistakes, but then he lets you find your own way, even though his heart breaks in silence whenever you get hurt. He sometimes gets angry and scolds you for breaking the rules, but even stand with pride whenever you succeed. And the most important thing is, he never give up on you, no matter what. And the most hardest part of our life is to hug your dad and express your feelings and your emotions towards him. With mothers, it comes out so naturally, but with fathers, it's a bit difficult, and many of us actually fail to do so throughout our lives. The another important thing is that the picture of our father in our lives keeps on changing. Sometimes we may think that our father is little outdated, little old fashioned, or sometimes we may have difference in the opinion. But still, he never stopped teaching us just because our picture in their life never changes. Maybe that's the reason the fathers are considered as the unsung heroes of our successful journey. So, today, on the occasion of Father's Day, I would like to dedicate a small poetry to my father, as well as I praise, appreciate, and thank all the fathers in the world who have selflessly sacrificed everything to make their children happy, educated, successful, and taught them the real essence of life. So, here I dedicate this to all the fathers. You are the priceless gift that I have received from God. You are an epitome of happiness in the family. You are the one who made me realize that all men are not same. That smile on your face through thick and thin always encourages me to deal with my flaws. The way you take stand for me, I can vouch no one can. The way you appreciate me, I know no one can. The way you fulfill all my demands, no one can. So, hereby I promise to fill you with pride years after years. You fit in each role of mine. You are a superhero who have the superpowers to manage all the things, even in the oddest situation. You are the best storyteller of all time. You are the one who inspires me to be the real me in this pseudo world. For years will pass, the bond between you and me will surely grow and become stronger than before. You are the one who knows me inside out. For me, you are my pal forever, and I can confide in you. I don't know how to show my gratitude to you, for these words are not enough to manifest what you mean to me and how important you are to me. Wish you a very happy, healthy, and wealthy life, Papa. Don't you guys think that we should also appreciate our dad as he does? Go and tell today before it's too late. Hope this has reached to your hearts. Thank you and have a nice day.